Hi, my name is Olabisi and I'll be presenting my night exercise. This is my design. This is my text. This is my source code. And this is my strings that I used. My main menu.xml, employee class, manager class, and executive class. So, okay. And this is the program. So, you just click one. It shows below the screen. Click another one. It shows below the screen. So basically, this is what we did in class. So from now on, I'm going to talk about what I added to this program. I added this menu bar. Whenever I click on it, settings and help pops out. Whenever I click on settings, it says settings is clicked. And whenever I click on help, it displays help is needed. Thank you.